Today I am reviewing the Lenovo 2026 Premium Laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you are a professional, a content creator, or a serious student, you already know that the modern workday demands a very specific kind of computer. You need something that can handle heavy multitasking without breaking a sweat, but you also don't want to carry around a bulky, heavy gaming laptop just to get that kind of power. That is exactly where the Lenovo 2026 Premium Laptop comes into play. It is specifically marketed as a machine for the power business multitasker, and after looking closely at the hardware inside, it is easy to see why. This device strikes an incredible balance between high-end performance, modern AI readiness, and a highly portable design. Let's start with the absolute heart of this machine, the processor. Lenovo has equipped this laptop with the 13th generation Intel Core i7-13620H. Now, that letter H at the end of the processor name is incredibly important. Most standard business laptops use U-series processors, like the i7-13620H, which are designed primarily to save battery life at the expense of raw power. The H-series chip inside this Lenovo, however, is a high-performance processor. It features a robust 10-core hybrid architecture, combining 6 performance cores that can boost all the way up to 4.9 GHz, with 4 efficiency cores. When you pair that massive processing power with 16 GB of next-generation DDR5 RAM, the performance is exceptional. Whether you are running data-heavy business applications, editing media, compiling code, or keeping dozens of demanding browser tabs open simultaneously alongside a Microsoft Copilot AI assistant, this machine remains completely responsive. But performance doesn't mean much if the screen hurts your eyes after an hour of work. Thankfully, Lenovo put a beautiful 15.3-inch WUXGA IPS display on this model, featuring a 1920 by 1200 resolution. The real standout feature here is the 16 by 10 aspect ratio. This gives you roughly 11% more vertical screen space compared to a traditional, standard widescreen laptop. That extra vertical space is a massive quality of life improvement when you are working on long documents, editing code, or managing huge spreadsheets, because you don't have to scroll nearly as much. With 300 nits of brightness and an anti-glare coating, it is incredibly comfortable to view, even under harsh office fluorescent lighting. What is truly impressive is how Lenovo managed to pack all of this into such a sleek chassis. The laptop is a mere 0.67 inches thin and weighs just 3.51 pounds. It slips effortlessly into a briefcase or backpack, making it an ideal travel companion for remote workers and commuting professionals. For storage, you get a 512 GB PCI NVMe solid-state drive. This ensures that the laptop boots into Windows 11 almost instantly and applications launch without delay. Lenovo also made sure you won't need to carry around a pocket full of annoying dongles. The connectivity suite is comprehensive. It features a full-function USB-C port that supports both power delivery and DisplayPort, meaning you can charge your laptop and run an external monitor through a single cable. You also get 2 traditional USB-A ports, an HDMI port, a headphone jack, and an SD card reader, which is a fantastic addition for photographers and videographers. On the wireless side, Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2 ensure you get fast, ultra-stable internet speeds, even in crowded coffee shops or busy campus environments. Finally, let's talk about security and communication. This laptop comes preloaded with Windows 11 and features a built-in TPM 2.0 hardware security chip to keep your data protected. For video conferencing, it includes a crisp HD camera paired with dual-array microphones that do a wonderful job of filtering out background noise during virtual meetings. And when you are done with your calls, you can simply slide the physical camera privacy shutter closed for absolute peace of mind. To wrap things up, the Lenovo 2026 Premium Laptop is an absolute home run for anyone who needs desktop-class power in a highly mobile form factor. It takes the compromise out of buying a business laptop, offering high-speed DDR5 memory, a taller productivity display, and a ferocious i7 processor. If you are looking to upgrade your workflow this year, this machine is well worth your consideration.